If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Elden Ring, there are several steps you can take to enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help improve the game's performance. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers to optimize performance. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game. Reduce options such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality to see if this improves frame rates and reduces stuttering. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming software, or other games can consume system resources and affect performance. Step 4. Optimize power settings. Change your computer's power settings to high performance. This can be done through the control panel of system settings, ensuring that your hardware is running at its best. Step 5. Monitor system temperature. Check your CPU and GPU temperatures while playing. Overheating can lead to throttling, which causes stuttering. Ensure your system is well ventilated and consider cleaning dust from fans and components. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in the frame rate and overall performance of Elden Ring. Enjoy your gaming experience.